Welcome back. Let's look at this question. David's saving account has a balance of $4,159. After 4 years, what will be the amount of interest at 1.6% compounded quarterly? So here the question is asking us for the amount of interest. Hence, we're looking at compound interest. So in this question, we're going to solve for compound interest using the future value formula. So here you have your future value formula. The P here stands for your starting amount or your principal. R stands for rate and N stands for time. So as per your question, rate is 1.6%, time is 4 years. However, because rate is compounded quarterly, we need to do an additional step to convert the percent and the time. So here rate in place of 1.6%, since this is compounded quarterly, meaning 4 times a year, you will divide this by 4. So in place of 1.6%, we will use 0.4%. So for each time you calculate interest, you will use 0.4%. Time equals, since this is compounded 4 times a year, in a period of 4 years, you will compound interest 4 times 4, 16 times. So these are the 2 important steps that you must do before you go ahead and use this formula. So again, let's recap what we just did here. Since rate is 1.6% compounded quarterly, meaning 4 times a year, you divide the interest rate by 4 and you use 0.4% every time. Since you're compounding interest 4 times a year, in the duration of 4 years, you will compound interest 16 times. Next, let's put it together in our formula. So P principal here is 4,159, 1 plus 0.4%. In order to get rid of the percent sign, we divide by 100. So in place of 0.4, we will put 0.004 raised to the power of 16. So in your calculator, you should get 4,433.31 cents. Now, if you started off with 4,159 and you ended up with the future value of 4,433.31 cents, the difference is the compound interest earned. Hence, to find the amount of interest earned, you will deduct from. So your answer to this question is $274.31.